My Sonos is a great way to keep all your favorite music in one place on the Sonos app. Just press the star on the bottom left corner of the screen, and by default, the music here is music that you have recently played, you've played frequently, or music that you've added yourself. This can be podcasts, they can be playlists, albums, basically any form of music or content on Sonos. So here I'm just going to go into title to choose a piece of content to add. I'm just going to hit new tracks. So here you see all these new tracks, and if you hit these three little dots on the right side, this menu will pop up, and here at the top you'll see add song to my Sonos. So when you hit that, it'll say whatever piece of content added to my Sonos, and that's how you know you did it right. So let's just go back to my Sonos, and we'll scroll down to songs, and there's the song we just added, Gated Community with a Public Pool. So as you can see, My Sonos is just a great way to keep all of your favorite tracks, albums, playlists all on one page, so you don't have to go searching for them every time you want to play them on Sonos. We hope you enjoyed this little tutorial video, and if you have any thoughts or suggestions, please drop a comment or send us an email or give us a call.